Welcome to SSV Tutorials. My name is Santosh Kumar CH. I am a physics faculty. So in the previous classes of 10th class, we are discussing the topics about heat. So today we are discussing the second chapter, that is acids, bases and salts. This is also very important chapter in 10th class. So first, just we recollect our knowledge in the previous classes. So what is acid and what is base and what are the properties of acid and bases? Like in your previous class, we know what is acid, which substances are sour to taste. That substances are called acids in the previous class. And what is base? Bases having which nature? Soapy nature. So the bases having soapy nature. So it skips like so. Acids sour to taste and bases soapy nature. And the test of acid. What is the test of acid? Acids converts the blue litmus to which color? Red color. And bases converts the red litmus to blue litmus. So which substances convert the blue litmus to red litmus or red color? That substances are called acids. Which substances converts the red litmus paper into blue litmus? That substances are called bases. So next, another test with methyl orange. Methyl orange. So methyl orange is an indicator which is using in the test of acid and base. So generally in acids, when acids converts the methyl orange color to red. So if you take the methyl orange and pour in some acid, then the methyl orange indicator color changes into red. So which substances changes the methyl orange indicator into red color? That substances are called acids. And what about bases? Which substances changes the methyl orange color into yellow? That substances are called bases. Very, very important. Acids converts the methyl orange into red color and bases converts the methyl orange into yellow color. And another one is there, phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein, acids were reacting with or mixing with phenolphthalein, then the color of phenolphthalein is colorless solution forms. What about bases? Bases converts the phenolphthalein indicator into pink color. Very, very important. Bases converts the phenolphthalein color into pink, but acids colorless solution forms. So these are the common properties and common indicating tests about acid and bases in the previous classes. So acid means which substances are sour to taste, those are called acids. For example, citric acid. Lemon, in the lemon there is a juice, that juice is called citric acid, so it is an acid content, so it is sour to taste. So which objects are sour to taste? That objects containing acidic substances. And which substances having the soapy nature are better to taste? That kind of substances having basic nature. And the tests of the acid converts the blue litmus color to red litmus and bases converts the red litmus into blue litmus. And these two, with the test of methyl orange and with the test of phenolphthalein, these two are too important. Acids converts the methyl orange into red color and bases converts the methyl orange into yellow color. Acids converts the phenolphthalein into colorless, bases converts the phenolphthalein into pink color. So these are the common tests about acids and bases. Now we are going to the and some kind of indicators also there. Those are called olfactory indicators. This is also important in 10th class, olfactory indicators. So what are meant by olfactory indicators means which substances are used in the test of acid and base by its smell. By its smell means some substances are giving different smells with the action of acid and with the action of bases. Such kind of substances or such kind of indicators are called olfactory indicators. Means olfactory indicators are nothing but smell indicators. Very, very important. Smell indicators means by using the smell also we recognize the substance is acid or the substance as base. So which indicators are used to finding the acids and bases by its smell, that indicators are called olfactory indicators or olfactory indicators. Next, the chemical properties and the action of acids and bases. So today we are discussing the action of acids or bases with metals. So what is the action of acids with metals? What happen? Means when an acid react with metals, what happen? When an acid react with metals, what happened? So what are the products formed? These are the reactants. By action of these two reactants, what are the products formed? For example, take a metal, zinc, and take any kind of acid, for example hydrochloric acid. By the action of zinc and hydrochloric acid, what happened? By experiment, take a small test tube, pour some zinc particles, and you have to pour 2 to 3 drops of HCl. These are the zinc particles, and you pour some 2 to 3 drops of hydrochloric acid, and after some gas is liberating from this test tube and it move upwards. When you have to take a matchstick, which means flaming matchstick, you have to place a flaming matchstick. What you observe, then the matchstick put off with the sound of tup. When some gas is liberating by the action of zinc and hydrochloric acid, that gas moves upwards. When you place a flaming matchstick on the top of the test tube, then the matchstick put off with the sound of tup. This is the test of which gas put off the light with the sound of tup. That gas is called hydrogen. That means by the action of zinc means metal and hydrochloric acid, what are the products formed? Hydrogen gas is liberated, including that ZnCl2, zinc chlorate forms. So by the action of metals with acid, what is formed? Hydrogen gas formed. So very important. When metals are reacting with acids, hydrogen gas formed. Remember that. And what about the bases? When metals reacting with bases, what happen? Do the similar activity by taking a base. Here in the place of the metal is same, zinc, and in the place of HCl you have to pour a base. For example, sodium hydroxide, NaOH. You have to pour 2 to 3 drops of sodium hydroxide, and again do the same experiment. What happened? If you take place a matching flaming matchstick on the top of the test tube, again it put off with the sound of tup. Means by the action of metals with bases also, what gas liberated? Hydrogen gas liberated, Na2ZnO2. This is called sodium zincate. and liberates which gas? Hydrogen gas. Means by the action of metals with bases also gives what gas? Hydrogen gas. So simply remember that when the metals are reacting with acids or bases, it liberates which gas? Hydrogen gas. So these are the action of metals with acids and bases. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel SSV Tutorials and also share the video with others. Then they also know this content. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching this video.